Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we'll talk about Alexander McQueen shoes. First of all, let's focus on this shoe box. We can see that the color of this shoe box is beige, and there is a black logo on it. Alexander Mcqueen logo. We can feel it cleaner with our hands. There's fonts are protruding. Very good workmanship. There is also a black flower at the bottom of the shoebox. Okay, now let's open the box and check the contents of the shoebox. First, we can see a shopping bag with the same color as the shoebox. The handle bag of shopping bag is red. It is made of hemp material. The middle of the bag is printed with a black logo, Alexander McQueen. It's very clean. The font is very clear. A flower is printed on the back of the bag. The quality of the shopping bag is very good. You can see here is a dust bag. A dust bag attached to the sheller. I think it's very good. Many brands also have this dust bag. When you don't wear these shoes, you can put them in this bag to keep your shoes clean. There is also a small envelope here. And there's a exact shoelace. Here is a very special detail. You can see the white wrapping paper. The white wrapping paper is used in women's shoes. If you see the black wrapping paper inside, it means that the shoes are men's shoes. Now let's focus on this pair of shoes. This pair of shoes is the same as the traditional Mcqueen. I think every time a Mcqueen product is a new product, it focus on the details. The most important design of this pair of shoes it is on its upper. You can see the designer used many sequins. It looks very cool, and I think this pink is also very suitable for girls. Let me show you the details of this pair of shoes. Okay, today video will be shoot with you here. If you are interested in it, you can add my contact information. We have more products to show you. Thank you. Next video is called